Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: storage space, OS version, and a Microsoft account. Once done, download the Office installer and run it. This begins the actual installation. Make sure to choose which apps you need: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, because fewer apps save space and time. Sign in when prompted so your subscription activates automatically. This also links OneDrive. After the installer runs, you'll see shortcuts on the desktop and in the Start menu. Ready for the next steps. Now open Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to configure how they behave. You should enable autosave to OneDrive if you want continuous backups. Otherwise, set this PC as default save location for offline work. Customize the ribbon and quick access toolbar to surface the tools you use most, and set a default font and template so new documents follow your style. Install any add-ins you need for workflows, and run Office updates via the Account menu to keep security and features current. To finish, verify activation in Account and sign in on each app so settings sync across devices. Test export to PDF and printing to confirm drivers work, and add keyboard shortcuts for speed. Backup important files to OneDrive or an external drive, then close and reopen apps to confirm changes persist. If something goes wrong, for example activation or missing features, sign out, reboot, sign back in, and run Office repair from Control Panel. That resolves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.